day. Alright, here we are in Croom, just outside of Brooksville, Florida. Man, this is whooped out. Got Brian in front of me. That's a tree.
I don't care. Follow me.
No, you don't. You just go in a circle. Hey, I can see my truck from here.
Hey, look, kids. There's Big Ben and there's Parliament.
I was first out here on XR80, about 84-ish. Yeah, back. And it's changed a lot. Mostly bikes back then and three-wheelers, and then four-wheelers came out. That's where a lot of the overall damage came from. But luckily there's a sand bowl on the south side, and that's where you'll get most of the ATV people playing. Up here on the north side, it's mostly bikes. You get in the center, that's an old phosphate mine, and that's where you get the step-up jumps and the gnarly climbs. Now, northeast guys or northern guys will laugh at the climbs. However, you're climbing mostly in powdery sand. Where you go, Dave? Cut the trail. Going this way. So you can see every year when the pine needles fall, they'll cover up the old trails. And these pine needles we refer to as brown ice. Because when you get a good thick layer of pine needles, multiple layers, they are slick. Good pace we're running. Just a easy Sunday morning ride. Don't roost me, John. John, Brian, whatever the hell he's going by today. But gotta say, this little bike is a little $250,000 bike. I'm tractoring most of the time, lugging it.
Okay, so I'm going the right direction, right?
Yeah.
Pinching it.
Pigeon toe it. Pigeon toes, automatically bring your knees in.
Like this bike just feels long on this one. The KLR actually feels like I'm in the right place, but this one feels like I'm in the wrong place. And I think because I'm not really in an aggressive enough position.
Well,
The KLR is made for standing up.
yeah. Well, my recommendation would be elbows up and eat more Austrian food.
You know, I haven't thought of that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you eat more Chinese food?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Well, someone's having a bad day. Doesn't look like the wind torqued.
So you were stuck pretty bad when I got up. Did I go right far enough?
Yeah, now we're back where we just started.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Right there. But you've got a pattern. You're drawing something, man. I don't know what it is yet.
Damn, I don't think you want to know what I... Hey, they're jumping.
Oh, this might be the backside of the other track. Let's go check over that clearing and see what it is. So there's one of the tracks.
Tomorrow.
Had a good ride on Saturday with Brian and Dave at Croom. However, you can see here we have a little bit of carnage on the front shroud. It's a tree that got caught in between here. So what we'll do, either order a new set of plastics for 40 bucks or let's attempt to repair. Charlie, you can help? Don't look so sad, bro. Come on. So it looks like plastic is a little distorted. Whoa. A little manipulation. I think we can get it in there. And then the way we'll do it is reinforce it with some wire mesh and melt in some fresh plastic from the number plate. Should be the same type of plastic. Alright, let's try to piece this thing in here. So I've cut a piece of mesh. I put foil tape on the back to hold that piece as flat as possible. What I'm going to do is melt this mesh into the plastic and then reinforce it with some of this number plate. Well, it appears that it's gonna work.
We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from.
Alright, well literally just seconds after finishing that, I receive a package from Orion Power Sports. So what I'll do is just start taping these on the bike, do an inventory, and get familiar. The bike's already clean, it's already wiped down with contact cleaner, and now the patience will prevail in this step here. There's a full inventory.